Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Facebook Messenger app on an Android phone. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just swipe up and find Play Store. Okay, right here, just tap on it. And if it's the first time you opened up the Play Store, it will need you to sign in. Just go ahead and sign in with your Google account. And if you don't have a Google account, it will just ask you to create one. Okay. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just tap on the search function right here at the bottom. Now tap on the search bar right here at the top. Tap on it. Now gotta start typing Messenger. Okay. Once done, tap on find or search. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you'll be able to find Facebook Messenger right here. Okay. Take note of this icon. When you swipe down, you will be able to see a ton of Messenger-like apps as well. Like for Messenger Kids, WhatsApp Messenger, and Viber. Okay. Now going back in here, you should be able to see an install button. Okay. Just tap on it just like this. Just tap on it and wait for the process to finish. Okay. Once that's done, all you have to do is just tap on open. Okay. If not, you can go ahead and close the Play Store. Now swipe up and find a Facebook Messenger. Okay. If you want to add it on your home screen, just tap and hold onto it like so and drag it wherever you want. Once done, tap on it to open it up. And if it's the first time, again, it will ask you to log in. Just go ahead and log in, and once done, enjoy chatting with your friends. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.